Hey guys, Youngmind here. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to get the most FPS you can on Pubg. So there's going to be three parts to this tutorial. First, there's going to be things you can do in game. Second, there's going to be a tip you can do in Steam. And then third, there's going to be some operating stuff you can do. So first, from Pubg, you want to come to settings, go to overall quality, and you want to set everything to very low. And if you can, set textures to medium just so it gives you the best chance in game. And remember to turn VSync and motion blur off because these are just aesthetic. And also, if you're struggling, you can set your resolution to the lowest one here. And then if you click apply on that, it'll just make everything a bit, it'll just make sure you can get some more FPS. So the next part's in Steam, so I'll see you when over there. Okay, so the next thing you can do is in Steam, you can go to, close this down, I'll show you. If you right click on Player Unknowns, hit Properties, Set Options, and then you'll just have this. I'll have it in the description and you can just copy it in. The only thing you might need to change is this max memory bit. So because I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, I set it to 1600. If you have 32, you would set it to 3200. If you have 8, you would set it to 8000. Yeah, that's basically what you need to change, and then you can close that. And then actually, you need to open PlayerUnknown's background for this bit, and then you want to find it in details. So it'll be under tslgame.exe. Right click on it, set priority and set it to high, and then change the priority. And this will basically mean that your processor will value this more than other files, so it'll give it just more power than it normally would. Since mine doesn't affect by that, I'm just going to set it to normal. Okay. Yeah, so the next part's in the operating system. So yeah, we'll see you over there. Okay, so next thing you want to do is unpark your CPU cores. So you want to click on it, click on Unpark CPU, run it, and then open it up. Click on check status. It'll take a couple of seconds just while it checks for the CPU. So for some people it can take longer, for some people it can take less time. I don't know. When I did it, it took about 5 minutes the first time, but then after it runs a bit quicker. So yep, you just want to wait for that. It shouldn't take that long. But yeah, as I said, it depends on the computer. Yep, but while that's happening, I'm going to show you another step. So we're going to go to Services. Oh, actually, we can deal with this now. And then you want to click Unpark All, and mine are already unparked. And then after you unpark all, you have to restart your PC. So after that, you want to go to Services, and you want to scroll down until you find Superfetch. You want to right click on it, Properties, and disable it. Then you also want to go down to Windows Search, Properties, and disable that. Then you want to get something called CC Cleaner. I'll leave a link in the description as well, and run it. And this will basically just clear a bunch of junk files in your PC that you don't need. Don't worry about deleting these. It's not nothing important. It's just a bunch of junk files. So as you can see, it didn't delete much because I keep my PC pretty clean. But I've heard people having like 40, 50 gigs of just junk files, which can really slow down your PC. So then you want to go to the search, click Run, or what you can also do is click the Windows key and R. Then what you want to do is open %temp%, and then just delete whatever you have in here. Do this for all current items, Some of them can't be used because so you have to skip them because they'll be used currently. And then yes, so you delete what you can. You see the ones that are being used currently are literally being created, like, you know, in the last 20 minutes. Then next thing you want to do is empty the recycling bin. Oh, not undo, delete. Redo, delete, and empty the recycling bin. Yep. Just to get rid of the files you just deleted. Then you want to go to Windows, this PC, and the little PC with the Windows icon. You want to click on Properties, then go to Disk Cleanup, and select all of these. Now this won't be that big because we've done the last two steps, but again, you know, it's worth doing. And then just click OK. It'll take a couple of seconds. It'll take longer obviously if you have more to delete. Then you want to go to Tools, Check, Scan Drive, and this will basically check for any errors in your drive, which can really slow it down. So you really want to do this step. Again, depending on your, you know, PC speed and, you know, how clogged up your drive is, this can take longer. Then you want to go Optimize. If you have solid state drive, there's not really a point in optimizing it, but yeah, just optimize any hard disk drives you may have. So just click Optimize, and then that will finish that. Again, it will take longer depending on how much stuff you have in there. So then you want to go to Control Panel, type in Power, click on Power Options, and you want to set this to high performance. It'll be to balance by default. But yeah, if you set it from high performance, your PC will just use everything that it needs to. So then you just want to go to Advanced, jeez, I can't spell, Advanced, and click View Advanced System Settings, and then you want to click Adjust for Best Performance. Basically what this will do is it will remove some of the like animations from your operating system. Personally my PC can handle it, so I'm going to leave it on. But yeah, basically just like see animated controls, like shadows, thumbnails, things you don't really need, and it can really boost your FPS if you adjust for best performance. Okay, and there you go. So now you can see we're in Pubg. I don't actually know why I dropped out here, but you can see while dropping, we're getting, you know, above 60 FPS at all times. This isn't in console, by the way. It's just coming up with console commands because I have a controller plugged in. Because I was testing another game earlier. But yeah, as you can see, landing, you know, around the you know, 60 FPS mark. This is also while recording in, you know, full HD 60 FPS. So you would definitely be getting way over the required FPS to play. So we're going to try and get into a gunfight here, see what the FPS looks like. I saw a couple people landing down here, but I'm not sure where they went. I'm hearing gunshots up this way, so we can see and try and we can get into a gunfight, see what the FPS is like. But yeah, if you can look in the bottom right, while recording full HD, 60 FPS. So as you see, still in that gunfight, even though we lost it, you know, we were still getting like 60 FPS even while the bullets were flying. Anyway guys, this has been a tutorial by Youngmind HS. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Oh.